welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. So I'm about to make dinner for my family and I decided to film for you guys. I'm going to make chili for dinner. It's like so cold outside, so chili is absolutely perfect for the weather. This video is going to be like me standing in my kitchen and talking with you guys. My kids are running around playing. I also have two dogs who just don't know how to shut up, so I am so sorry if you hear any background noises. Come on over and let's make some chili. So I have my big soup pot here to make the chili. You're going to place your pan over medium heat and let it heat up. Then you're going to drizzle in some olive oil. Allow the oil to heat up. And you're going to add your choice of meat. You can use ground beef, but I like a combination of ground beef and sausage. I'm using lean ground beef and sweet Italian sausage. I'm going to drop those right into my pan and I'm going to break them up into chunky pieces. So just go ahead and let your meat cook and brown up, then we're going to work on the vegetables. For vegetables, I'm using 1 whole onion, 1 jalapeno. Make sure you take the seeds out of this, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 whole red bell pepper. I'm using one of my favorite knife sets to cut up my veggies. You guys always ask about these knives. They're really good quality. I've had them for 2 years. And these knives are sold by a very good friend of mine. I really trust her brand. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. It could be a nice Christmas present for your loved ones. I'm gonna chop up all my veggies and I'm going to toss them all together with the meat. I'm seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Then I'm gonna let the veggies cook with the meat for about 8 minutes. So the veggies have been cooking for exactly 8 minutes. They smell so good. The next thing we're going to do is to build flavor. So we're going to add some spices. For spices, I'm using 2 tablespoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons cumin, 1 teaspoon oregano, and 1.5 tablespoons brown sugar. Brown sugar isn't really a spice, but it's going to balance all the acidity in the tomatoes we're going to add later. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Then we're going to let everything cook for about 2 minutes to let the spices release their beautiful flavors. Once the spices have cooked for 2 or 3 minutes, we're going to add all the good stuff. So I'm adding half a cup of red wine, 1 cup of beef broth, 28 ounces of diced tomatoes, and 15 ounces of red kidney beans. I'm mixing everything together and I'm going to taste for salt and pepper and add more as needed. Once this comes to a simmer, you want to place the lid on. Then you're going to turn your heat to medium-low and let this cook for 1.5 hours. That way all the ingredients can slow cook and marinate and get really flavorful and yummy. So I'll see you after 1.5 hours. Alright, it's been 1.5 hours. The chili is completely cooked. It smells so good. It's my favorite part. Here we go. Oh yeah, so good. It's amazing.
No, I don't like that.
What? It's yummy.
No.
What? Try it.
No.
Come on.
No.
Why not?
I can't do that.
Why not?
I can't do that.
Just try it.
No.
Please.
My sausage gross.
It's not gross.
Huh?
Can you just try it?
No.
Please. I can't get her to eat anything. Alright, you're gonna go play with Chris.
No.
Okay. You guys are going to love this recipe. So if you want to make this, make sure you check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.